Let's take a look at the Backflip app to comp, analyze, apply for a loan, identify deals, and more. First, download the app. Sign up is easy. Email, password, first name, last name, phone number. Sign up. Here's your dashboard. These widgets serve up cool info about your app use and new leads. Through the bottom menu, you can navigate to viewed properties, the analyzer, loans in progress. Let's start at the analyzer. You'll notice on this screen current market trend data for zip codes you care about. Just search the address of your potential deal. The app is now pulling comps from the MLS and data partners to create its analysis. And here it is. Here's the estimated ARV based on 3 comps our AI selected from many. But you can choose your own based on your preferred criteria. You can filter comps here. You can add your own comps. You can tap into any comp to look at images and view in map form. Here you can get comp alerts emailed for just-in-time insights on flips in progress. When you feel good about the ARV, hop over to the Calculate tab, where all the math is laid out for you. You can, if you like, revise these estimates. Down here, you've got a full breakdown of terms for the Backflip standard loan. Looks good. Let's put in an application. The address is carried over. You just go through the simple flow, which takes about 2 minutes. Peruse all our various loan products in advance. Hit apply, and you're done. Expect a call or text shortly. Now, do you need a pre-approval letter to strengthen your offer? From the dashboard, tap this widget. You'll get a call or text. Of course, you need to be applying for a loan, so if you haven't yet submitted an app, you'll get this message. Go ahead and start one. Another cool thing is rewards, where you can rack up cash credit to use against loan closing costs. Tap in for rewards, and here's how you can earn thousands of dollars off your next closing costs. A brilliant feature is My Leads. If you wade through tons of property leads every day, My Leads AI can simplify your life. On the dashboard, tap My Leads, sync now. The app is pulling new leads from your Gmail account. In the meantime, set up your buy box, if you have certain investment parameters or just common sense. Now you have all your properties right in front of you, pre-analyzed. You get all these details and you can see at a glance which are the great deals. Here's a great deal in my buy box. Tap in for more. Go back and you can see where the deal came from. If you like it, we've already generated a message to reach out to the seller. This is how quickly you can act on a deal with the Backflip app.